Cancer is the leading cause of most deaths worldwide. Recent studies have shown that even popular foods can trigger it. Might have just eaten one of them while watching this. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover some unsettling facts about the foods we consume every day. Our modern lifestyle has given us unprecedented convenience, but it has also brought about some hidden dangers lurking in our kitchens. Many of the foods we consider harmless could, in fact, be contributing to the development of cancer. So sit back, grab a notepad, and let's dive into this eye-opening discussion. 1. Processed meats. We start with a staple in many diets: processed meats. Hot dogs, bacon, sausages. These savory delights are convenient, but often loaded with preservatives, nitrates, and other chemicals. Studies have linked regular consumption of processed meats to an increased risk of colorectal cancer. 2. Refined sugar. It has earned its not-so-sweet nickname poison, as it is absent of any nutritional value. It deprives the body of its vitamins and nutrients, so it can be digested. Refined sugar has been credited with cancer cells. Not so sweet after all. 3. Soda pop. Soda pop gives that refreshing taste caused by all the sugars, colors, and chemicals that add acid to the body. All these can encourage the growth of cancer cells. A type of sugar used in sodas, namely fructose, was linked with pancreatic cancer. According to a certain study, 4-methylamidazole in soda was also studied to be a potential carcinogen. This chemical turns colas and soft drinks to a delicious brown hue. 4. Sugary drinks. Next up, sugary drinks, sodas, energy drinks, and excessive fruit juices can be a sweet poison. High sugar content contributes to obesity, a known risk factor for various types of cancer. 5. Red and processed meats. Red meats such as beef, lamb, and pork aren't inherently harmful. However, excessive consumption, especially when processed or charred, has been linked to an elevated risk of colorectal and prostate cancers. 6. Fried foods. Who can resist the allure of fried foods? Yet deep frying at high temperatures produces harmful compounds like acrylamide and heterocyclic amines. These substances are known carcinogens. 7. Microwave popcorn. Although popcorn is thought of as a healthy snack containing potassium, iron, and fiber, but the chemical that lines the microwavable bag decomposes and forms a compound linked with liver and pancreatic cancer. Another chemical for its flavoring can cause another condition called bronchiolitis obliterans. Cooling the popcorn before opening it decreases the chance of developing it. 8. Dirty fruits. Fruits undergo a bath of pesticides in the fields. Some of these pesticides have been linked to cancer in the Environmental Working Shopper's Guide to Pesticides in produce. Apples, peaches, grapes, and strawberries contain the highest concentrations of pesticides and made it to the list of the dirty dozen fruits. 9. Artificial sweeteners. Switching to artificial sweeteners for weight control. Think again. Some studies suggest a possible link between artificial sweeteners and various cancers. It's crucial to use them in moderation. 10. Chips. Potatoes contain a cancer-causing chemical that's activated with high-temperature cooking. The chemical acrylamide is found in plastics and paper making, as well as in cigarette smoke. The National Toxicology Program and the International Agency for Research on Cancer termed it as a probable human carcinogen. 11. French fries. If French fries and potato chips are from potatoes, and potato chips are termed as a probable human carcinogen, then French fries are cancer-causing too. The acrylamide activation at high temperatures is probably not the worst case of variations of potato foods. Potatoes are also on the dirty dozen list of fruits and veggies, so avoid them while they're hot. 12. Excessive alcohol consumption. While moderate alcohol consumption may have some health benefits, excessive drinking can lead to liver, mouth, throat, and breast cancers. Awareness and moderation are key. 13. Farm salmon. Salmon tastes good and is a source of omega-3, but canned salmon sounds much better than farm-raised salmon. Overcrowding of farm-raised salmon to raise a volume of fish leads to health issues. One observation is their color is not their natural one. Therefore, they're fed with chemicals to have a reddish-pink hue. Me always search the labels to see where the salmon comes from. 14. Canned tomatoes. Some countries use a chemical named bisphenol A or BPA for the lining in the cans of tomatoes and other canned foods. It is banned in other countries because of its toxicity. Tomatoes are acidic and can cause the BPA to leach out of the lining of the cans to the tomatoes. BPA has been linked to several issues like heart diseases, diabetes, and cancer. Glass jar lids also contain BPA, so it cannot be used as a substitute. Fresh organic tomatoes might be the safest choice. 15. Pesticide-laden produce. Let's not forget our fruits and vegetables. Non-organic produce can contain harmful pesticides. Washing them thoroughly or opting for organic options can reduce the risk. 16. Hydrogenated oil. Liquid oil that is chemically processed to turn solid is called hydrogenated oil. It is used to increase the food's shelf life when ingested. These alter the structure of human cell membranes. The doubled risk of breast cancer in women is caused by high levels of trans fat. Baked foods, deep-fried foods, margarine, etc. is those that contain trans fat. 17. White flour. Refined or white flour is natural flour that is stripped of all its nutrients. This type of flour undergoes bleaching, where chlorine gas is used. White flour is also high on the glycemic index, meaning blood sugar and insulin levels spike after eating. There is evidence that cancer-promoting effects are found in the process. A study stated that refined carbohydrates were linked to a 220% increase in breast cancer among women. 18. Refined carbohydrates. Finally, refined carbohydrates, like white bread and sugary cereals, cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. Insulin resistance, often linked to such diets, can promote cancer growth. 19. Pickles and other salted food. Pickles are cucumbers that went through the pickling process of fermentation in salt, vinegar, and seasoning. They contain probiotics, which is good. However, they also contain too much sodium that makes pickles get linked to stomach cancer. A team of doctors in Turkey found out that gastric cancer patients ate a lot of pickles than cancer-free patients. 20. Genetically modified organisms. A study showed a link between genetically modified corn and cancer. Genetically modified organisms are living organisms, mostly plants that have their DNA or genetic material artificially manipulated to deliver the benefit of the best produce and to keep them protected from insects. They are more prevalent in markets around the country. The health effects of these products have not conclusively been determined on humans, but it has been sensed to be harmful through time. 21. High-fat foods. Fats and cancer are linked unlimitedly, but eating foods high in fat can cause other health problems, which could eventually lead to cancer, primarily obesity. Obesity increases the risk of bowel, pancreatic, breast, and kidney cancer, while a low-fat diet can help you maintain a healthy weight and avoid this risk. There you have it, our exploration of the often overlooked culprits in our daily diets that might be contributing to cancer risks. But remember, knowledge is power. By making informed choices and maintaining a balanced diet, you can reduce these risks significantly. We hope today's discussion serves as a wake-up call, urging you to prioritize your health by being mindful of what you consume. Remember, a balanced diet rich in whole foods, fruits, and vegetables can be a powerful ally in your fight against cancer. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you next time. Stay healthy.